Hello viewers, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. This is in continuation of our series to become a Agentblazer legend. This is Raman Lingam and you are watching MuleSoft-TechZone videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do visit our YouTube channel and subscribe so that you will get all the
Hello everyone.
latest updates. So going through our challenges, so as I said, we have like different modules. So let me quickly go through the root of this Agentblazer legend course here. So there are some modules which has quizzes. So we have completed in our last video, we have completed service agent customization with prompt builder, and now we are going with like the prompt engineering techniques. Within that, the first one was just like a quiz, so please go through it and complete that. And second one is like get hands-on with the prompts. So when we click like get hands-on into the prompts, I told you that whenever if it is asking you to sign up for a free developer edition with agentforce by clicking this link, please do sign up and create a new username. Okay, this is different from the one which we have done for service badge. If I go back here, uh, so service agent, and let me probably, this is the first one if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so click on this. So you can see like there are two different developer edition. This is like developer edition for custom service agents, and this is for agent force badge. So there is a difference. So I have already signed up. I got an email to login. So I am verifying. I have created a new username now. I will click on verify account, reset password. Please make sure like that is very important to complete your challenges, and that could be the reasons you might be using the old let me click on change password. Yep, I am now here. Let me quickly close and close this and go back to our actual course, which is like prompt engineering techniques, and get hands-on with the prompts. So once you have signed up, once you created your username, what you need to do first is like you can see it is showing the old ones. Okay, this is not the one that we have to use. For that, go here, then click on connect org. Now use the username that you have created, password and login. It will ask you to allow, then S save it. All right, so now you are in the right playground to perform your hands-on. So now I have created another one. So this is what we need to do. All right, so don't forget this step. So we have done this part. Read every instructions. I'm quickly going through Einstein setup, which we need to do as a common this thing. Einstein setup, go here. This is the common drill because we just created a developer account, so we always need to enable it. So I just enable everything, click on refresh and make sure it is on. Yes, it is on. Create a zero shot prompt template. So quickly what we have to do is we have to create a new prompt template. For that you have to use again the flex type. So I'm just copying this name here. So go to prompt builder in the quick find here. If you don't find prompt builder quick find, just click on the setup, go to setup and find the quick find over there. So now click on new prompt template. The type is flex. Again you can see like there are some other security risk analysis, Slack channel summarizer, all this. There are some additional prompt template types. That is because we have created an account specific to complete these challenges. So you can see them. So this is good. Create, so template description, yes, I have done that. And under the defined resources we are going to add customer account, and the object is account. So the name is customer account, API name automatically populates, and then search for account. I'm using this, click on next. That's it. So you can just copy this one here, paste it over here. So this is like a generic prompt saying like write the introduction and body for a friendly and professional email for Salesforce marketing team, inviting an example customer to attend an upcoming event. All right, So that is there. Now what they're asking us is click on preview. So they are asking to click on this icon here, preview settings. So click on that and let's choose under the inputs. They are asking us to search for Burlington Textile Co-op. So let's try that. So Burlington Textiles Co-ops of America, we have done that, and then they are asking us to click on save and preview. So once you clicked on save and preview, you can see the resolved prompt and the generated response. They are saying like invitation to the sales AI to launch, dear customer name, I hope this message find you. So read everything here. All right, and what we need to do next is so the result prompt section shows how the prompts with any placeholders resolved. You can view your completed sample email generated response. This zero shot response returns a fairly generic email but offers a starting point. Let's see what we can make to do that stuff. Okay, now they are asking us to click on the prompt to go back to your prompt and replace the entire text area with this. So what they are asking us to do is, you can see this is like prompt 1, step 2, step 3. Like 1 is like prompt, second is the result prompt, and third one is the generated response. They are asking us to go back to the prompt here. You can see like 3 sections here. You can always minimize them if you don't want to see them, and click on them to again open. So they are asking us to replace entire text whatever we have with this prompt, and then they are asking us to click on save and preview. When you click on save and preview, it will again like resolve the prompt and generates the response. So this is what it generates the response. It is creating a sample email. Now what we need to do is we have saved that prompt. They are not asking us to activate anything yet. The next thing we have to do is, like, if you are still in the prompt in the previous section, go back and create a new prompt template with template type as this one. So I am going to the prompt builder, going back to the prompt builder again, click on new prompt template, drop down, and there is one prompt template type as Einstein AI generated search answers. We need to select this. As I said, like, because you are creating a new developer edition for this specific module, you will be able to see this. If you are not able to see Einstein AI generated search answers, that means that you are using a wrong playground. Okay, please make sure that you are giving the right one. Then create a prompt template, right? Type a prompt template name, package names, then API name automatically populates if you are giving it. It will, API name is usually like with underscores, and template description is here. Go to next, and that's it. So let me copy this. They are asking directly like don't change anything, but click on this preview settings here. They are asking to provide like query, so generate 5 packages names, and they are asking like chunks, each on its own line. So what you need to do is copy this, go back to the chunks and paste it like this, so that like private villas, beachside dining, and family friend atmospheres are like each on their own line. And in the prompt area, just copy paste this stuff. That's what I'm doing here, and save and preview to that. So if you click on save and preview, it will automatically resolve the prompt. Let's see. So you are a marketing assistant creating luxurious and appealing resort package names based on the following details. Generate 5 creative and exciting names for the resort. So you can see like the answer is, the generated response is Coral Haven Retreat, Blissful Shores, Seaside. So it has created something. All right, so this is what like you got, right? So your response might look different, so but if you have generated new package names, that's a success. Okay, don't worry about the response here. Now go back to the prompt. That's what they are asking, to click on this prompt and replace the current prompt with this one. So let me replace with this one, and keep your query and chunk name same, and click on save and preview again. So save and preview, you can see now the new result prompt and the generated response. So your generated response is something like this. It is giving a bit more description about each one. Now you will see something like these lines. That's what we got. Okay, you can see like that response might not be exactly like, for example, here it is like Serenity Shores Retreat, but for me it's like Coral Serenity Escape. So it can be different, so don't worry about that one. So notice the difference from previous one and now. Yes, we have seen that. So now it's time for us to work with prompt builder using this one. So as I said, like for Agentblazer Legend, what they will do is like they will give you some detailed instructions on how to complete this stuff, but they will give you a challenge to create a new one. So again, pre-work, if you haven't already created an account, please do that and connect it. Now we are going to create a new prompt template again with the same type that we have used. So click on new prompt template, choose Einstein AI generated search answers. Now this is what we need to create, is what they are asking. All inclusive resort taglines, go back, all inclusive resort taglines, that is there. Then template description, sometimes I copy and then delete this extra stuff here. Click on next. Now prompt is here, just copy. If you double click or triple click, you can copy entire thing here. That's the best way to copy paste. So go back and you have to use this query. Okay, so you know like where it is. Click on this preview settings. That one is not provided over here, but you know that you have done previously, that's why you know you should be able to view. So click on query here and chunks on its own line. So copy this and paste it here. Then add a chain of thought at the end. Add chain of thought prompting to the end of your prompt. Again, to understand what is chain of thought prompting and all, you have to learn the objectives, you have to learn and everything. These videos are just for you to kind of review for hands-on part. Like if you are missing somewhere, this video helps you to get out of those issues. So for this they're asking like at the end of your prompt, that means at the end of my prompt here, add explain your thoughts processing for each tagline step by step is what I'm adding additionally. Now what you need to do is, they didn't ask us to say, so they are asking us to save preview but didn't ask us to activate it. So let's save and preview. So you can see the resolved prompt over here and generated response. So this is how it comes. Okay, so that's all for this challenge. So you can check the challenge to earn 500 points. I hope this is like a pretty straightforward. All that you need to make sure is like whenever you are doing this stuff, understand this small kind of instructions here so that you can implement your challenges. All right, so we have successfully completed our assignment. So let's see what is there in the next unit. So this is like more or less the quiz. So I'm not going to concentrate on that part, but for now prompt engineering techniques part is done. Let's go back and see what is our next hands-on part. Again, like this is completed only 50% because I need to complete the quiz part. So agent customization with the flows, I will check like which part is like hands-on part. So this is quiz. Again, drop down, create a agent ready flow. You can see like it is asking to create a new developer edition again. So I will show this one in our next video. So stay tuned and please complete all the quiz, read everything, read the objectives, every stuff. Okay, and we will see you in the next video on how to create an agent ready flow.